have been raising the question about traffic management in relation to abandoned vehicles lying in different municipal areas, but particularly in the capital city of Panaji. And we have consistently been taking it up with the district road safety committees, state road safety committees also. And particularly we have started this, taken up the matter with the corporation of the city of Panaji. Now what we are begun to realize that there is no system in place wherein abandoned vehicles, if found in a pay parking area, can be reported by the general public. So one of the issues that we took up is we started visiting the pay parking area of the ETC Pato Plaza area, and there we have found, of course, a major section of vehicles are from government departments. Now what is our concern? Government department vehicles is one thing. We have found also private parties vehicles, whether four-wheelers and two-wheelers, left in different parts of the city of Panjim. Now, first thing, this matter has also been raised by Urban Health Center Panjim regarding breeding of mosquitoes and the vehicle being lying in that same place for so many times. It has faced the rains, etc. Second thing is that it becomes a fire hazard. And third, what we are concerned is theft. You know, one part of that vehicle may be stolen, and then of course the issue comes of parked vehicles possibly involved in crime that are being brought and left in the city of Panjim. So we have now written to the Commissioner of the Corporation of City of Panjim to call a joint meeting of all the officials, concerned department, that is Traffic Police, District Police, Transport Department, Fire and Emergency Service, Health Department, at least at this point of time, and the Director of Municipal Administration, so that as any abandoned vehicle is to be dealt with, they have to be dealt with now only by the District Magistrate's Office and the Traffic Police. Earlier, municipal councils were handling this matter. Now, since the reporting is important, we have asked the CCP to convene a joint meeting of all the departments and work out a system where the pay parking or contractors' attendants give a weekly report that which vehicles have been lying in the parking lots where pay parking is involved, and the reporting mechanism should be such that the pay parking areas should be slotted. Say these should be numbered. So if a vehicle is parked in that slot for more than 3-4 days, etc., that reporting can be done. Now we are concerned that if no system is in place, then this problem will carry on. And Panjim being the capital city, it is important that government looks to a solution first in the capital city. This then can be replicated in Mapsa, Ponda, Margam, Vasco, in other commercial areas to sort out this problem. Now we are also noticing that the vehicles are picking up CCP in collaboration with the police. They are picking up vehicles which are parked in areas which are not meant for parking. These same vehicles can be used to lift those abandoned vehicles, and they can be kept at a central place where the owner of the vehicle can be asked what he wishes to do. And it's important that the CCP puts a fine. Like any parcel which is not collected, there is a demurrage charge. So we are also saying that if you are blocking spaces here in Panjim, this is unacceptable. So our concern is that not only the Corporation of City of Panjim, we got a response now from Traffic Police that they are compiling a new list of all the vehicles which are abandoned according to them. And we are of the opinion that the surrounding panchayat areas also should be considered when preparing this detailed list, because some vehicles which are abandoned, on the time the survey that is being conducted, those vehicles we have found are being moved on the border into a panchayat area, and after the survey is over, again those vehicles are brought back and kept in the same place. So we are hopeful that this action will come from CCP. We will also pursue this matter with the district collector at a forthcoming road safety meeting which is held in month of March, so that we come to a definite solution to the matter of abandoned vehicles in city of Delhi.